Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore products that elevate your beauty routine. If you're looking for skincare that tackles aging head-on, this review is for you. Today, we're checking out the bundle of Pep-Up Collagen Renewal Face and Neck Treatment, paired with the Total Eye Firm and Repair Cream from Colorescience. First, let's break down the essentials. Colorescience is a brand known for infusing science with beauty, and these two products are no exception. The Pep-Up Collagen Renewal Treatment is a face and neck serum designed to promote collagen and elastin production, while the Total Eye Firm and Repair Cream targets delicate under-eye skin to firm and repair. Together, they aim to smooth signs of aging and boost skin hydration, making it a powerful duo for anyone concerned about wrinkles or sagging skin. The key ingredients in these products are what set them apart. Hyaluronic acid is a well-known skin plumper, drawing moisture deep into the skin for that hydrated, youthful glow. Plus, they contain 10 peptides, each specifically chosen to support skin's natural firmness and elasticity, critical for combating those fine lines and creases that develop over time. These ingredients come together to offer antioxidant protection and a powerful defense against free radicals. In my own routine, the Pep-Up Collagen Renewal Treatment quickly became a standout. It's lightweight, absorbs effortlessly, and leaves the skin feeling velvety smooth, perfect as a base before applying moisturizer or sunscreen. I've noticed a subtle improvement in skin texture, especially around the neck and jawline. It feels firmer and more hydrated, even after just a couple of weeks of use. Now, let's talk about the Total Eye Firm and Repair Cream. I've been using this around my eyes, and while I didn't expect miracles overnight, it's delivered some noticeable changes. The cream is rich but not greasy, so it doesn't weigh down the delicate skin around my eyes. It has a cooling sensation upon application, which is really soothing, especially after long days in front of screens. Over time, I've seen a slight reduction in puffiness and dark circles, and my under-eye area looks brighter and less tired. Of course, no product is perfect. While the Pep-Up Collagen Treatment does what it promises in terms of hydration and firming, I think it could be a bit more potent when it comes to visibly reducing deeper lines. As for the Eye Firm and Repair Cream, while it works great for puffiness and mild dark circles, it might not have the heavy-duty effect some users expect if they're looking for something that tackles deep wrinkles around the eyes. So, is this bundle worth the price? Both products lean toward the higher end of the spectrum, but given the potent ingredients and the brand's focus on high-performance skincare, I'd say they're well worth the investment if you're serious about anti-aging skincare. They're gentle enough for daily use, and the long-term benefits of collagen and elastin boosting can't be overstated. If you're looking for something that offers comparable results but at a lower price point, there are a few alternatives in the market. For a solid eye cream, you could try something like Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Eye Gel Cream, which delivers moisture and firming effects at a fraction of the cost. If you want a collagen-boosting serum without the high price tag, you might want to explore The Ordinary's Buffet Serum, which also targets wrinkles and skin elasticity, and it's much more affordable. In terms of build quality, both products come in sleek, professional packaging that feels luxurious without being over the top. The pump dispenser for the face serum is hygienic and dispenses just the right amount of product, while the eye cream's jar is compact, travel-friendly, and easy to use. What's also worth noting is Colorescience's reputation for excellent customer service, which gives an added layer of confidence if you ever run into any issues or have questions about their products. To wrap up, this bundle has a lot to offer in terms of performance. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to seriously address early signs of aging, boost skin hydration, and add some elasticity to their skin. The ingredients are top tier, and you get what you pay for in terms of results. However, if you're just starting to explore anti-aging skincare or are on a tight budget, there are definitely other options out there that may be more cost-effective. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.